by day I struggle among the weak and meager, too eager to give a prayer to any preacher. Well, if that's what you want, then listen to your speakers, cause it's common heat screaming from the bleachers. Gravitate away from any situation, elevation over the leeches, 1,000 leagues over the sea, with the tainted hands can no longer reach us. So breathe, my brothers, and I'll help you along in the struggle. Don't hesitate to call by my name, the probable prodigy. Or was it the verbal odyssey? Probably we oughta be common phrases rhyme till death. Spit on the mic with iron breath, navigate my path like co-pilot Atlas with the fastest kick to any beat or mash up, act up and get smashed up. No room for fakes, you're a hip-hop actor, so where are the real rappers? Can I see your hand, baby, raise them up. If you got a blunt, don't hesitate to wait to blaze it up. Melt the face and waste till you can't form a single common phrase, and the days seem all the same. Every possibility explored, every passing moment exploding in the hopeless dream. No diagnosis or focus convinced what I've broken, so don't look back. The past is the past. I've come to the terms with the fact that everything I have will eventually fade to black. I'm glad I washed my hands of this and played the role of the loose cannon fits while you abandon it. So look at me now, push down and hammer it. My melancholy structures are steel and frame. They feel no pain, no more chances for lies. Sever and abandon your ties. Field of flies hover over the dead. The pot's boiling over now, it's molten and lead. Cast iron corruption, leading the flock from the moment they learn to walk and talk. Consciousness don't fail me now. Drawing, I mean no harm, but poured in what happened to the poor in the theory of evolution where common got it started. Off-season madness, with or without practice. I spice up my rhymes when I steal a bit from Atlas. The globe holder, so behold as we kick the globe over. No stones thrown, made of blood and bone. Sampled every style before I stopped at hip-hop's throne. So breathe, my brothers, and I'll help you along in the struggle. Don't hesitate to call up my name, Alpha the creator, the common phrase sayer, ill line slayer. I lay in my coffin next to the lines I've killed, the rhymes I've filled in the pages. On this earth we manage courageous, post-mail it up, common phrases. The last dance, the last moment, the last few seconds. I got 25 left to represent and check it. Make you savor everything from my mistakes to corrections, affecting the ones who are affected, protected. If you ask me, I think I wrecked it. Spit down till I was breathless.